Hi guys, and today we're going to make a Lego dinosaur with all these pieces. So we're going to need dark green pieces, normal green, light green, and white. And also on the eyes we're going to need black. So now we're going to have to dump it and build. So we're going to use these two pieces for the legs. So just put this here, that in the middle. And we're going to put
Don't pick them up because you can't see them.
And put these blocks on the side. On the sides. I'm just going to use these to trap this four block inside the middle. So, okay. Now on the back, right here, we're going to put these pieces that look like tails. And on the second piece, right here, we're going to put one of these pieces right here. Just here. Now it should look like that. Now we're going to make the stomach and where the eyes go. The arms go, not eyes.
Yes, eyes. Yes, eyes, Mayor. I say yes, eyes.
Just ignore the noise.
Ah.
So then the stomach should look like that, and the hands look like these pieces. You have got 6 of them. No. Onwards. Now we need to put this just right here. It should be breaking apart. That's what normally the Lego does. So we're going to put these back here. And the tail back.
Papa,
I don't know why.
the mouth inside in the dream.
I don't think this Lego actually
Papa,
likes me.
The mouse
Even though I like
in the dream.
it. So I bought it. 300 pieces. The whole thing takes. There's more colours than this, and there's more bricks than this, of course. It doesn't come in a dinosaur set, though. You can build different things within the set.
Here.
And also,
Here.
okay, we're going to go with the scales now. So you're going to use one of these. Ignore the noise.
But I want to get you out of me.
Okay, just go get it.
But I want you out.
Just go get it.
Huh?
Go get it.
Okay.
Until I'm going to give the code. I was just talking to my baby boys and taking my iPad. And we're not filming this on my iPad. So we're going to put one of these bits here to just stand up the scales. Yes? It's on charge. Or in the conservatory. Okay, so now we're going to put... Now for the head. And this is the last part. So we need to get one of these pieces. And just use one of... Yes, and don't do that. What? And we're going to put one of these here. And
Shut the door, Musa.
And now for the teeth. So we're going to use these cylinder white pieces and put them right here. And that's going to make the teeth. And this dinosaur is going to have a really grinny smile. And when I finish him, I'm going to call him Dinosaur. Because he grins.
But I can't push the button. Thank you.
So now we need one of these pieces and just put them over the teeth. Now it should look like this. And now I'm going to use 2 of these slates again. And just put them at the back. Not black, back.
Wait, where's the Legos?
Legos. Now for the dark bits. So, just going to put these in the hole. That's just a Lego noise. That would look like that will go with the Lego building. Fine, don't put the sound down. So now we're gonna go for the eyes. Look. Let's see the eyes. So look, they're actually quite small, you know. And now we're gonna put these eyes here. And he's gonna be looking forward like a dinosaur having a look when. So it should look like this. Now we're gonna bring the body over. And my little baby brother must have started just playing the Lego building game.
Put the sound down.
No, it's fine.
No.
But it goes with the Lego building.
Yeah, but you can't use that sound on your video.
Now we're gonna use some arms right here. And now for the head. And boom. Now we've finished the dinosaur. It does look like an angry dinosaur since it has those like
No, they are the.
and we've finished. Take it away.